Since it's the family's best Christmas ever, it is but fitting to celebrate it with the brightest and most meaningful symbol of all. A tree of light that shines of hope and is a beacon of peace, joy, and love.
On a star, close your eyes and just believe it. You have traveled from so far, and now you're close enough to feel it. The smile in your face and the song in your heart. This is where you're meant to be. Make a wish upon a star. The magic is here. It's here for you and me. 'Cause you are the magic. You are the You are the magic. You are the magic. You are the
Welcome our performers, the Dreamcatchers. Let's give it up for the Vita Dance Company. And let's also thank Disney Cruise Lines Serena and Chibare. 'Cause you are the best. May we now request our distinguished guests to please join our performers on stage. For our photo op, we'd like to request the presence of our Vice President of SM Prime Holdings Incorporated, Miss Marissa N. Fernan.